Okay. The microwave is the top oven, and it has many functions. However, the simplest function is just to use the microwave as a basic microwave, in which case the left-hand button, you click one position to the right, and a display can be seen, and the display indicates on the left the different wattages, and these can be changeable by pressing the left hand button, which you can see goes from 90 to 1000 watts. The time element is then operational from the very right hand dial, and as you can see it goes up, and then to operate it the very right hand arrow operates it.